Right now, we're getting pictures from Delhi civil lines where it is the Congress party which is holding the Kisan Adhikar Divas today on the 15th of January, where this call was made by the Congress state units in different parts of the country, will be coming together out on the streets and will be protesting and will be standing in solidarity with the agitating farmers there. And on your screens are Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who can be seen. This is from Delhi civil line areas where these protests will now be beginning. The call that has been made by the Congress party to come out on the streets and protest in favor of the farmer unions. Going across to Shivani for a quick update. Shivani, explain to us those pictures that are coming live. Congress party is milking this opportunity even as the talks are underway.
Amitav, as the pictures are very clear, this protest that's happening at the civil lines area and the barricades are being broken by these Congress protesters who have gathered here to show solidarity with the farmers who have been protesting against the farmer laws. You can see these dramatic pictures wherein Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi have also joined this protest, which has been called by the Congress on the Kisan Adhikar Divas, and they are breaking the barricades, and the police has been deployed here. You can see the number of Congress people, and they are trying to break the barricades. The protest is really getting violent here. They are agitating and they have already broken the barricade. They are moving now towards the Raj Bhavan. They are now trying to run across the barricades. You see the protesters running and jumping off these barricades where the protest was called for, and Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi are also with these protesting Congress people. You can see how the protest is going ahead. These Congress is marching ahead. You can see the police has been trying to stop these protesting Congress members who had gathered here at the civil lines, and you can see that these are the visuals, the live pictures of this protest wherein Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi have also joined the protest, and these Congress members are marching ahead. They are raising slogans against the government as they say that they are in solidarity with the farmers. And we also know that the whole issue of the farm laws has been the farmers have been quite instigated and incited by the political parties, and that's what we've been witnessing here. That now, when on the one hand, the talks are going on at Vigyan Bhavan with the farmer union leaders and the government representatives, the Congress is holding this protest at civil lines. And Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi are also a part of this protest, and these Congress people, they say they are with the farmers on the issue of the farm laws. And this protest is still going on here. There was a heavy deployment of the police. The barricades were put in place. But these agitating Congress members have broken the barricades, and they have passed the barricades placed by the Congress, by the government, by the police, and now they are marching ahead. And there are heavy deployments of the police forces to keep these protesters under control, but we see that they seem to be quite agitated and violent. They are trying to cross the security arrangements that have been put in by the police. Police has been making announcements that be careful and don't cross the security limits because it can hurt.
No, but Shivani, really the question arises, what is the point now of holding such protests? The talks right now are underway. The Supreme Court has intervened in the matter. What is the point really that the Congress party is trying to prove here? Is it just a photo op that the Congress leaders want to indulge in and to declare one day today as the 15th of January as the Kisan Adhikar Divas? That is what they have been saying to all their party units across the country, where come out on the streets and protest because they have not been getting much support from the Kisan unions. In a way, as they try to hijack the entire cause and the issue there, you can see how the clashes and how violent it has now become, where the Congress workers are trying to break in the barricades there at civil lines. Shivani, really, what is the point that the Congress party here is trying to make?
Exactly, Amita. We'll keep showing you the visuals while we talk, and it's as we see that these protesters have gathered here at civil lines, and as correctly pointed out by you, the talks are already on with the farmer leaders and the government representatives at Vigyan Bhavan at the moment, and the Congress is holding this protest. It hardly makes a point. It seems that the Congress is just trying to instigate the farmers over these laws, as we also are aware that when the last round of talks on 8th of January were going on, Priyanka Gandhi was meeting the leaders from Punjab over the farm laws. So in a way, these Congress workers who have gathered here, they just want to show their strength, and they just want to gather, because the real issues have actually been lost in the farmer agitation also. And we know that how Rahul Gandhi has been making remarks on the farm laws. Yesterday also he said that these farm laws are actually useless, while the government has been making efforts to negotiate with the farmers, and the court has also intervened. We see these protests, these workers who have been protesting here, they have crossed all the barricades put in by the police here, Amita, and they are getting quite violent, and police is trying to control them. We know the issue is under negotiation. The farm laws are being talked about with the farmer leaders and the government themselves. But the Congress just is out of real issues, it seems so. And that's why it just wants to find a problem to every solution. And in this farm law issue also, when the matter is already being dealt with by the government and the court and the farmer unions, this Congress wants to encash the whole protest. It also tried, in the beginning we saw last 51 days also, many a times the Congress leaders had tried to hijack these farmer protests, and they tried to put their point across and tried to show their solidarity with the farm laws, while there was also a tussle between the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress to take more weightage over the farmer protest, as we saw the war of words between Captain Amrinder and Kejriwal also. And Congress has also always tried to jump into this farmer protest since last 51 days. Many a times instigations have been made by the party, and today these protests are happening. You can see in Delhi, when at civil lines this protest was called for, and proper security arrangements were made by the Congress, by the police. These congressmen have gathered here, and they break all the barricades here, and they continue to protest over the issue without paying heed on what is going on at Vigyan Bhavan. The negotiations are already on. Amita, we are covering each and every update of that talk between the farmer unions and the government. And here on the other side, when the talks are already going on, these workers from the Congress, they continue to protest. They have black balloons in order to show their anger against the laws.
So you have Congress staging a protest across the country, Rahul Gandhi leading a protest in the national capital, protest visuals that we're picking up from across the country on your television screens. Shivani, thanks for that update.